Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be revealing the teaser of the House of Abhinandan Lodha, upcoming newly plotted township Janmabhoomi Ayodhya, located in Ayodhya. In this teaser, we will be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. So let's start. First one is project overview. Janmabhoomi Ayodhya is first ever Ayodhya's 7-star mixed-use development that will be constructed on 50 acres of land parcel, consisting of 600 plus plots that will be developed phase-wise, having multi-sizes villa and mansion. Now the location part. Project is located bang on Dasharat Samadhi 4-lane highway in Ayodhya, with Sarayu River just 2 minutes away, Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Temple is 10 minutes away, and the international airport is 20 minutes away from the project. Now let me tell you about the amenities. This project has 50 plus luxurious amenities like of swimming pool, indoor game, multi-purpose court, kids play area and many more. Also, the House of Abhinandan is partnered with the Leela Hotel and they are coming up with the 5-star hotel in the township. Even I would like to add that renowned actor Mr. Amitabh Bachchan has also recently purchased a plot in this township. Now coming to the carpet area, as said this project will be having different sizes of plots. Like first one is 1250 square feet and the second one is 1560 square feet. And even you can combine the plots to make it in the bigger size. Now let's discuss that why you should invest in this plotted township in Ayodhya. So first one is excellent return on investment. With the inauguration of Ram Mandir, there are 10 crore plus tourists expected to visit Ayodhya, making Ayodhya India's top-notch investment region in India. And the location, as said, this project is located on Dasharat Samadhi 4-lane highway with Sarayu River 2 minutes away. Ayodhya Temple is 10 minutes away and the international airport that is 20 minutes away from the project. And the third one is there is 5 mega projects which are coming in and around the township. Unicorn Energy investment of 42,000 crores, GRM Group investment of 40,000 crores, Aditya Birla investment for rupees 25,000 crore for textile and ready-made units, Hinduja Group commitment of rupees 25,000 crore and NTPC power project of 72,000 crore. And the fourth one is there is opening of Leela Hotel in this township. So all this point combines makes Ayodhya an excellent investment opportunity. Now let me tell you about the booking process. Pre-booking window is open. Clients can come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. They will share the pricing and payment schemes and will show you the project location. And then if clients like the project, they can book by paying the token amount of rupees 2 lakh. So everyone, this was a teaser of the House of Abhinandan Lodha, newly plotted township, codenamed as Janmabhoomi Ayodhya, located in Ayodhya.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.